I've got all my little $4 arrangements put together. 100 zinnias. Nice bucket for the florist. Got a random bucket. I've got some status. I've got a couple. I have a couple gladiolas, a bunch of snapdragons, some jewels of opar, a few things of Russian sage, and on this side I have some lysianthus, some amaranth and sweet Annie. Look at this beautiful bucket of lysianthus and some ageratum. So pretty. Another gorgeous 5-gallon bucket. They're really tall snapdragons. Gorgeous. Okay, so that was a great day. I got my coffee shop bouquets made, and then I had a florist order, so I ran them a bunch of flowers. And then I was looking at the weather this week, and it drops down to 34 degrees. No, I'm not ready for it. But later on, it does actually warm back up. So if I have to go throw some frost cloth over things, I think I will. I don't know if it's Tuesday night or Wednesday night that it drops down to 34, but I'm hoping that I can cover some flowers and still get a couple weeks left of beautiful blooms. The last farmer's market is this Saturday, and I would still like to be able to fulfill orders until the flowers are gone. And I do have enough flowers in my cooler to fulfill orders because I have picked a ton over the last week, but I do like to give the zinnias and the celosia and things like that, and they can't go in the cooler, so I always pick them the day of. This week I might have to pick them the day before, and I'll just recut them to keep them fresh and hopefully get those delivered on Thursday, and also have some maybe for the farmer's market. Otherwise I will make bouquets with lysianthus and snapdragons, which is not a bad bouquet to go out on because it will last them a long time. So that was my day on the life today. I just took a lot of pictures, didn't do a lot of talking, did a lot of harvesting, and had a really good day. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and I hope to see you in the next one.